Today, a nationally renowned police use of force expert told a jury in Clear Creek County that former Deputy Andrew Buin went outside of police norms when he broke into Christian Glass's SUV in 2022 and eventually shot and killed him. Glass had called 911 for help after he got his car stuck on a boulder in Silver Plume.
He told jurors, this expert, that instead of rushing to break into Glass's car, police officers on scene should have used time and space to calm the situation down. 9 News reporter Steve Steger is following the case. And Steve, this expert is really well known.
Incredibly well known, Kim. He testified in the trial of Derek Chauvin, the officer convicted of killing George Floyd back in 2020. Seth Stoughton used to be a police officer. Now he's an academic who studies police use of force. He reviewed the entire case for the 5th Judicial District DA's office. And on the stand this afternoon, Stoughton criticized Buin's approach to the whole call, including ignoring Glass's offer to throw knives that he had inside the car out the window. And he testified that it was the decision to break Christian's window that night that escalated the situation.
Prior to Mr. Buin breaching the vehicle by smashing out the passenger front window, what substantial risk of harm did Christian Glass pose to himself?
There was none. There was not one.
Prior to Mr. Buin breaching the vehicle by smashing out the front passenger window, what substantial risk of harm did Christian Glass pose to anyone else?
Sort of even less than none, because he's not physically in a position to interact with anyone else. So again, none.
Was Deputy Buin's use of lethal force unreasonable, excessive, and contrary to generally accepted police practices?
Yes, it was.
Now, in cross-examination, Buin's attorney tried to reinforce that body camera video may not portray the whole scene. That, of course, is the key piece of evidence in this entire case. The prosecution is expected to continue presenting their case against Buin, who's charged with second-degree murder, tomorrow. In the newsroom, Steve Steger, 9 News.